Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to switch between the navigation gestures and the buttons in this device. So now the buttons are selected, that's why you can see at the bottom the recent button, home button and the back button. So let me show you how to switch to the navigation gestures from the switch buttons. Go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option display. Now again scroll down. So here you can see the option navigation bar. Tap on this one. You can see two type of navigation bars. You can see here buttons and swipe gestures. So if you want to enable the navigation gestures, then select this option swipe gestures. Now you can see the buttons are disabled, right? So now let me show you how to use this swipe gestures. To go to the home page, swipe up from the bottom tab. You can see directly we can go to the home page. To go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. To go to back page, swipe inwards from the left side, otherwise swipe inwards from the right side. So if you want to switch between the recently opened applications, just swipe right or left at the bottom tab. You can see we can easily switch between the recently opened applications like this. So if you want again go back to the buttons, again go to settings, display, tap on navigation bar. You can easily select the option buttons. You can see the buttons are here. So simply in this way we can switch between the navigation gestures and the buttons in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.